Hello everyone! Making practice henna cones at home is a great way to develop your henna application skills without wasting expensive henna paste. Here's a simple recipe to make practice henna cones using henna powder, sugar, coconut oil, and water. Mix henna powder and in a small bowl. Combine 8 tablespoons of henna powder and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well until the sugar is evenly distributed. Slowly add water to the mixture. Be cautious not to add too much water, as this can make the mixture too thin. Stirring continuously until you achieve a thick but flowable consistency. Add 1-2 teaspoons of coconut oil to the henna sugar mixture. Coconut oil helps to bind the mixture together and gives it a more paste-like consistency. Use your hands to knead the mixture until it becomes smooth and pliable. This will help to remove any lumps and ensure an even consistency. Roll the plastic sheet into a cone shape. Let's put piping bag into an empty bottle. Make sure to fill the piping bag with the right amount of henna to avoid overfilling or underfilling the cones. Hold the empty henna cone in one hand. Insert the tip of the piping bag into the empty cone. Squeeze the henna paste from the piping bag into the empty cone. Use clear tape to secure the folded top in. Fold the top of the cone over twice to create a seal. Repeat the process to create multiple practice henna cones. Store the practice henna cones in an airtight container or plastic bag to keep them fresh. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and support my YouTube channel.